Well, it is that time of year again. In this video, we're going to take a look at 10 gift ideas for under $10. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews and gift ideas related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, I can't believe it, but it's almost Christmas. And again this year, as we've done every year for the last 4 or 5 years, we're going to be doing a series of gift ideas videos at different price points. And my goal was to duplicate nothing that we've done in the past. So if you don't see something in any of these videos that strikes your fancy or you think might be a fit for people on your list, be sure and check out the previous ones, and there'll be links to those in the description. Also, as always, there'll be links to all these items you see in this video in the description below. And I'm going to put a little different this time. I'm going to put them on the website also. So if that helps you out, maybe you can click on over to the website. There'll be links to that right up here. And by the way, if you buy anything through most of those links, I'll get a little commission, and I really appreciate it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Got 10 gift ideas here. Most of these are related to the outdoors for under $10 because it's always good to be able to find those low budget gifts. First of all, really cool kit here from the folks at UCO, and it's a little self-contained Stormproof Match Kit. And we've seen the Stormproof matches before. They're really cool. This is a little kit that's got, I don't know, it looks like it's got about 12 matches in here in a little waterproof plastic container. And the price on this thing is $5.79 on Amazon. So a really nice little stocking stuffer. Somebody can be prepared for fire. You know how important that is. Next item is from my friends at 5-Star Survival Gear, who are headquartered about 30 minutes from me. And it's a 5-star survival sport. We're calling this one, they call it a survival spoon. It's really similar to the CRKT eating tool, but the price on this one is about $7.35. Pretty cool there. That's a cool kind of low budget gift. Next on the list is something from another great Georgia company, folks at Exotac. And this is a free key system. And I'm using this on my keys. What's really cool about it is, you see it's got this little squeeze thing here. You can squeeze that, and let me see if I can get the camera to focus. It'll open right up there like that, and you can get your keys on there without breaking what little fingernails you might have if you're like me. And the price on this is $9.99 for this, and it comes with some little individual key rings also, so you can kind of keep everything organized, and it just works really well. Next on the list is something you might not think about as a gift, but for great little stocking stuffer or people that camp that like to use Coleman lanterns. Every time I open mine up, I have to put a new mantle on it. And so anyway, Coleman Mantles. These are the lower price ones with a string. You can buy some higher price ones that got little clips on them. I can tie a string. It's not a big deal. Here's a 4-pack of these is $6.26. Something that anybody who spends much time with a Coleman lantern will really appreciate. Speaking of fire, because you know I like fire, the next item on the list for under $10 is these Djeep lighters. I say Djeep, I don't know how you pronounce it. They're made in France. They are pretty cool, come in a lot of different colors. What I like about these is they have a great big button there, and it's really easy to use if you're wearing gloves or if your hands are cold. And they're also adjustable, so you can adjust the flame up or down to suit your fancy. And then they have a lot of adjustment, but you can see it comes down a little low if you want to conserve it. If you really need a lot of flame, you can crank it on up there. So a 4-pack of these is $8.77 on Amazon. Pretty cool little lighter there. It might be something a little unusual if they're used to using Bics. The next item is something that everybody who does any backpacking or spending much time in the woods really needs. And that's this little backpacking trowel. You can see mine has been used. It's really good. It's got little measurements on the side of it because you're supposed to dig a hole 6 inches deep to do your business in the woods. And these things are very, very lightweight. I like these better than the folding ones and the hinges because that's just something to break. I've had this one, as you can see, for quite a while. It is not broken. It's done a really good job. And the price on these on the old Amazon, 3 of them, I couldn't find them singly, 3 of them are $8.84 each. So there's you got 3 gifts for under $10. So pretty cool there. The next item on the list here today is something I think is really cool, and it is a true utility little keychain peanut lighter. And let me just show you this because it's pretty cool. It's got an O-ring seal right here. so that it basically won't evaporate like a Zippo in your pocket. Also makes it a little waterproof or water resistant. And basically, you just light it up like that. Fill it up with fluid just like a Zippo. You can light it. And it's small enough you can keep this on your keychain. You can stick it in your pocket. Just always have a way to have a fire, because it's very important to have fire. You know me. Next on the list is something that I think is very important also for anybody that goes in the woods, large or small, and that's a whistle. This time we're going to look at the JetStream Whistle from the folks at UST. It's a very, I think it's like 120 or 122 decibels, a very loud little whistle, extremely lightweight, got a lanyard hole here, and it's also got a little lanyard through it. And it's a P-less whistle, so you don't have to worry about the P getting, whistles that have a little, they call a P in there, a little ball in there, they can actually get frozen in place because of your breath in cold weather. So it's a P-less whistle, which is really good. And it is $3.99. Great little, very low budget gift there. Next item is another thing from the folks at UST. Another kind of for a survival kit, another way to get rescued. And it's the mini version of their famous Starflash mirror. And it's a Starflash Micro, and very, very small. It'll fit in an Altoids tin or even in your wallet, and gives you a way to signal for help or to get splinters out of your, stuff out of your eyes or anything like that. And the price on this one is $7.69. Another cool little outdoor gift for under 10 bucks. Finally, last but not least, it's not a small item, but it is under $10, $8.97. And this is from the folks at Surviveware, who make some really, we looked at a couple of their first aid kits not too long ago. This is a, what is this, a 32 pack of very large kind of biodegradable wet wipes for cleaning up in the woods. So whether these things are, how big are they? They're pretty good size. I'm trying to find the dimensions on them. They are, so they're 8 by 12. So about the size of a pretty large washcloth, and you can kind of clean, you use these to take a bath, to clean up, or whatever. What's really cool about these is, unlike mini wipes, they are biodegradable, and they basically compost in 28 days. So you don't have to worry about being a drain on the environment if you use these. So pretty cool thing to have for anybody who's going to camp or spend some time, or even put in a bug out bag, because cleanliness is really important to cut down infections or whatever in long-term kind of survival situations, or just for regular old camping. So that is 10 gift items under $10. Be sure and check out the other videos in the series. There are going to be several videos at different price ranges. And as always, thanks for doing your online shopping through the Survival on Purpose links. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.